So in this segment, I'll guide you through the container section where you can manage in-app items and rewards. First off, what's container? A container is an in-app item that holds other items or rewards. Think of it as a digital treasure chest, ready to be opened to reveal exciting virtual goodies. Now let's see how easy it is to create a container in Avtario. Open your project in the portal and head to the sidebar, left sidebar. Click on economy and then select containers tab. Here, click on new container to get started. Time to add some details to your container. Under container properties, the platform automatically generates a unique container ID for you. So choose the status. I'll choose active as of now, but you can choose anything. Optionally, categorize your container and add tags for easy organization. It's optional though. Let's make it appealing to your users. Enter a captivating display name for your container and provide a description for your in-app store. So I'll put display name as CN1 and you can use any description you want. So containers in Avtario are consumable by nature. Specify if the count of the item should decrease when consumed or if it should be based on time duration. And I'll select the count as 5 as of now and customize it further with these options. Decide if your item is stackable or a limited edition. Stackable items allows only one in the inventory, while limited editions create a sense of exclusivity. So I'll select it as stackable as of now. Lastly, let's talk about unlocking your container. Choose whether your container is unlocked by default or requiring no key, or if it's locked, needing a specific item, bundle, container or drop table key. I'll select unlocked. And there you have it. You have just created a fantastic container in Avtario. So to add content to your container, click on add to container at the top of the page and you can add various items such as I have added this one, and you also can add currencies and bundles. So yeah, here you can choose from variety of items to populate your container. So you can select items also, containers, drop tables or even currencies. Mix and match to create a truly unique experience. So you can add the count for your currencies, anything like you want. I'll keep it 10 everywhere. So once you have added the content, you can easily adjust it. Now let's talk about the price. Specify the currency used for items cost. Avtario comes equipped with real money as default option, but now I'll add real money. So okay, I'll add all of them. Let's explore the custom data option. So this optional field allows you to enter key attributes, key value pairs. Simply enter the key and if needed, add a value. It's a fantastic way to tailor your items with unique attributes. So there you have it.